Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I would like to talk about reading. That's very important for understanding English. Why is it so important for our life? If you read a lot, if you read daily, you will be able to increase your vocabularies. You will be able to understanding your level and skimming level, scanning level. I think you always try to read approximately daily newspaper, English story, English magazine. In this way, you will increase your vocabularies and understanding your skimming and scanning level. Now, I would like to talk what is scanning and what is skimming. Skimming is read quickly for main idea, as well as scanning is search for specific information. So I think for improve your lifestyle, for improve your English level, please try to read English magazine as well as English vocabularies, English newspaper. In this way, it is possible for you to improve your English level. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.